Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am taking Z transform of unit 2. So in this particular video I'll be taking properties of Z transform. So in the properties of Z transform there are total 5 properties. So the first one is change of scale. Now in Z transform what we do is we convert f of k into f of z. Now this is known as Z transform. So wherever we have a raised to k into f of k, when we have something like a raised to k into f of k, the Z transform will be f of z upon a. Means in this place what we have to do is replace z as z upon a. Now this is what we have to do. In the sums we will understand this better, that how to use these properties. So now what we have to do is we have to write down all the properties and then revise through it. Second property is shifting property. Now in shifting property, when we have f of k plus n, when we have something like k plus n, then the Z transform will be z raised to n f of z. And now if we have something f of k minus n, then the Z transform will be z raised to minus n into f of z. Now this is the shifting property. So the next property is multiplication by power of k. Now f of k will be converting into a Z transform, that is f of z, k into f of k. Now this is multiplication because we are multiplying k into f of k. So the Z transform will be minus z d by dz of f of z. Now this is k into f of k. Now if we have something like k raised to n into f of k, then for that the Z transform formula will be minus z d by dz raised to n into f of z. So now this is the third property of Z transform. The fourth property of Z transform is division by k. Now division by k is, now when we have f of k upon k. Now when we have something like this, the Z transform will be minus limits integration of z to infinity, z inverse f of z dz. Now integration of z to infinity and z inverse f of z dz. Now this is the division by k property. Now we will go to the last property, that is the phase shifting, which is very important. So when we have e raised to minus ak into f of k, now if we have something like this, the Z transform will be f of e raised to a into z. Means z will be replaced by e raised to a into, have e raised to ak, that is over here it is minus ak, over here ak, into f of k. The Z transform will be f of e raised to minus a into z, that is the z will be replaced by e raised to minus a into z. Now these are the properties or the formulas that will help in the sum solving. So thank you for watching the video. In the upcoming videos I'll be taking sums related to properties of Z transform. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I'll be uploading videos from Monday to Saturday, so stay tuned. Thank you.